Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to be discussing what kind of surface profile a silicon carbide creates on the surface of aluminum. So we have our aluminum coupon here, and what we did was we took a surface measurement of the before RA of the aluminum, which was at 2.97, so almost at 3. We're gonna see what silicon carbide does for it. Silicon carbide is commonly used to strip tough coatings or prep for tough coatings, or get a lot of buildup or a lot of rust off of a part very quickly. It's very hard, it's very jagged edge, so it's gonna be a little bit aggressive. But we're gonna take a look at what this does, and then we're gonna come back, do another surface reading, and make a determination on what this does in the wet blast process. All right, so we're back with our coupon of aluminum here. This is the blasted side that we were blasting with silicon carbide on. Now, if you flip this over, that's what we started with. So in a way, it gave it a uniform finish, but you can also see the surface roughness is slightly increased and prepped for, let's say, like a powder coat. Again, this abrasive will remove tough stuck-on coatings like powder coat. It will also remove heavy rust, heavy buildup in a quick fashion due to its jagged nature. But also, we use the VH3630 to blast this. This is a great machine for bigger parts, but you're not going to use it on an everyday scale. Again, that information is linked below. You can find the information on that machine. But we're going to take another surface roughness reading and see what we ended out at. So we're back with our final surface roughness reading. Now, even though this is a jagged edged abrasive, it is a heavy abrasive, very aggressive. Our surface roughness did go down a little bit. It's at 1.34, but you can see the finish that we got here is much more consistent and much more profiled than what we got before. So if you guys have any questions, please give us a call. Our number here is 828-202-5563. We also have free application testing where you can send in your parts. We can test different machines, abrasives, see what's gonna work best for you. If you need more information on that, please give us a call. Our number here is 828-202-5563.